Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your Soundcore K20i on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store and then go to the search. Click on search line or click at the search here and write Soundcore. Now search and you should install this application. Allow, agree and continue, skip, or you can of course log into the application. We did it, and allow here. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!